Welcome to Sistership Circle. I'm Tanya Lynn, the founder of this worldwide movement. I am passionate about women's leadership and have been training women around the world to lead Circle. My husband Brent and I live in San Diego with our two daughters, Callie and Summer. Thank you, sister, for joining me today. Our intention at Sistership Circle is to treat you and every woman on this planet as sacred. It is through this honoring that the sacred sistership is formed and becomes whole. We are on a mission to give every woman in the world the experience of real and authentic sisterhood, where she is loved, accepted, and celebrated as herself. We believe that through the sistership, women gain confidence in being a woman, claim their feminine leadership, and develop meaningful, deep relationships with other women. This ultimately is the divine feminine rising that we hear so frequently. The rise of women in sistership, standing shoulder to shoulder in solidarity, reclaiming our individual and collective power. We have a vision where there are 1 million sistership circles on the planet, where circle is woven into the fabric of society and every woman has access to a circle. A vision to shift from a patriarchal society to one of equality by empowering the leadership in as many women as possible and creating circles to bring women together to support one another and rising into our full power. A vision where women create safety for themselves and one another to be brave, bold, responsible, authentic, vulnerable, and empathetic. A vision where women's work is honored, celebrated, and respected. That women feel confident in doing women's work and are compensated because of its inherent value. A vision where women are committed to healing their sister wounds and stopping the worldwide sister war, seeing each other as allies instead of enemies. A vision where the next 7 generations of girls love their bodies, speak their truth, own their worth, and know the tremendous power they hold as females. A vision where women empower and create partnership with the men in their lives so that all men value, honor, and respect the divine feminine. A vision where humanity is in harmony with Mother Earth and all of life, no longer seeing ourselves as separate or better than, but part of a synergistic whole working together in co-creation. This may seem like an ideal world, a lofty vision, but we hold it as our guiding light, our North Star. We are on a mission to create 1 million circles because we know that circle is a powerful container for healing, transformation, and empowerment of women worldwide. Circle is where we remember the truth of who we are, our roots, our bodies, our souls. Circle is where we reclaim the truth of who we are, our voices, our power, our light. And circle is where we rise into the truth of who we are, leaders, sisters, light workers. You could contribute to the movement by sitting in circle, sharing circle, or leading circle. Join us, sister.